Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sophia, this is Face Canvas, and today you're going to be watching me turn myself into an Umbreon. This is part 1 out of an 8-part series of evolutions, so stay tuned for more makeup tutorials on that in the future. First step, I'm taking my foundation and applying it on my face with a beauty blender. And second step I'm going to do is prime my eyelids right before eyeshadows. I'm going to put the black on the inner and outer corner of my eyes, and I'm saving a space for the yellow. After applying all of that, I'm going to blend along the outer corners of my eyes for a nice smooth effect. And now I'm curling and putting mascara on my lashes, and this will just give it a very nice structure for the fake lashes to lay on when I put them on later. And once that is done, I took my yellow body paint and painted a nice O in the middle of my forehead, and we'll get back to that one a little bit later. Alright, so now I'm applying PAX paint on the points of my eyebrows, and this is to conceal part of it. So only the first half of my eyebrows is shown, and then once I concealed my eyebrows, I'm going to put black body paint and a thin brush, and I'm going to fill that in, making a nice little point at the end. I decided to do kind of like more of a, I suppose, goth girl Umbreon look than an actual animal Pokemon cosplay animal look. And I really liked the way this turned out. I would genuinely wear this makeup out, / I actually did after this. And so back to the yellow oval, I'm going in with black eyeshadow on the outer and also the inner part of the O. And instead of body paint, I'm using eyeshadow so that it can be blended out a lot easier. And also on this look, I found out that yellow blush looks really, really cute. And I put the blush on my nose as well as my cheeks, and then I contoured with black. I'm contouring on my temples, my cheekbones, and then also my jawline and a tiny bit on the neck. And then I walked out and I went to Morphe to get these lashes in this look, and it was a really cute look. I got complimented on it, and I got my lashes. So I'm just putting these lashes on, and that's pretty much almost done for this look. I put on some black lipstick, as you can see, and just to make the eyebrows look more like Umbreon ears, I put in a tiny bit of yellow body paint on my lips and eyebrows, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed this look. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.